let's take a look at what it takes to enter a trade. And I'm going to do this just to show you with one contract. I don't care what the direction is. I'm just going to show you how fast I get in. I get in with one contract. I immediately put my 15-cent stop to protect me. And I see what's so watch. I'm going to click the button.
Order fill.
I'm going to put my 15-cent stop in right here. I'm in. What did that take? 1 to 2 seconds. My phone tells me that I got filled. Okay. That's how quickly I get into the trade. This is my protective stop. I have no idea what it's going to do. It's going down and I bought a call. So who really cares? That's not the point. The point is I'm showing you how quickly you get into these trades and how you immediately put your stop in to protect yourself. And you know what you do once you do that? You do not touch it. People that move their stop around because they think this is going to happen or they have a gut feeling about that, you're going to lose your money.